If you're looking to record transactions in Xero and want a quick, easy guide, you're in the right place. Xero is a powerful tool, especially for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone who needs to keep their finances organized. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of recording transactions in Xero so you can get started right away without any confusion. Xero's interface is intuitive, but if you're new to accounting software, it can seem like a lot to handle at first. But don't worry, I'll simplify everything for you. Let's start with how to record a transaction in Xero. First, head over to the Accounting tab in the top menu and click on Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of your connected bank accounts. If you haven't linked your bank account to Xero yet, you can do so by clicking on Add Bank Account and following the prompts. Once your account is connected, you'll be able to import your bank transactions automatically. When you want to record a transaction, it's as simple as clicking on the banking option. You'll see a list of your bank feeds. If your bank is integrated, this process will be seamless. Otherwise, you can manually enter a transaction by selecting the Create option. Let's break it down. For each transaction, you'll need to specify the type, whether it's a sales invoice, an expense, or something else. For example, if you're recording an income, you'll select Receive Money and enter details like the payer, amount, and any additional relevant information, such as the invoice number. If it's an expense, you'll click on Spend Money and provide the same type of details. It's important to categorize each transaction correctly so that your financial reports are accurate. For instance, if you're paying a supplier, assign the transaction to the appropriate expense category such as supplies or cost of goods sold. Xero also lets you add attachments to each transaction, which is really helpful for keeping everything organized. Whether it's a receipt, invoice, or contract, attaching the file ensures that everything is linked together. Simply drag and drop the file into the transaction entry. Now, let's talk about reconciling. After you've recorded your transactions, it's crucial to reconcile them with your bank statement. This ensures your Xero records match your actual bank balance. Xero will automatically match imported transactions to those you've recorded, and all you have to do is confirm them. If Xero can't find a match, you can manually reconcile the transaction by selecting the appropriate account, category, and payment method. If you're dealing with a transfer between accounts, you can record that by choosing the transfer option. Xero will automatically move the funds between your accounts, and the balance will be updated across both accounts. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to record transactions in Xero and the power this tool offers for keeping your finances in check. The best part, you can get started with Xero for free. Yes, that's right. Check out the first link below to access an exclusive extended free trial, giving you full access to the software without any pressure. Xero isn't just for bookkeeping, it's a complete solution that helps you stay on top of your business's finances. And when you use it correctly, it can save you time, reduce errors, and make your reporting and taxes much simpler. If you've learned something from this video and want to try Xero out for yourself, don't forget to claim your free trial by clicking the link in the description below. You'll be able to explore all the features that make Xero one of the most popular accounting tools for small businesses. So, take that first step today and make your financial management easier and more organized than ever before with Xero.